How should I properly care for and maintain my electric blanket to reduce health risks?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about a fundamental household object, your electric blanket. Electric blankets can provide warmth and comfort, but they also need proper care and maintenance to ensure your safety. We'll go through some critical steps that will help reduce health risks associated with the use of electric blankets.
How should I clean my electric blanket?
Regular cleaning of your electric blanket is essential to keep it in good condition. However, keep in mind that you should never dry clean an electric blanket as the chemicals can damage the heating elements. To clean your blanket, most manufacturers recommend gentle hand washing in cool or warm water with mild detergent. It's important not to twist or wring the blanket to avoid damaging the wiring. You can then hang it up to dry. Before cleaning, always read and follow the specific washing instructions provided by the manufacturer of your electric blanket.
How do I store my electric blanket?
Proper storage of your electric blanket during off-seasons is crucial. Before you store it, ensure that it's completely dry. Fold it loosely or roll it up to avoid damaging the wires inside. It's best to keep it in a cool, dry place.
What regular checks should I perform?
Regular checks can help you detect any potential issues that might pose safety hazards. You should regularly inspect your electric blanket for any signs of wear and tear. Look for any exposed wires, dark or charred spots, or any damage to the fabric. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to replace your blanket.
What are some safety tips when using an electric blanket?
Here are some safety guidelines. 1. Never leave the blanket on unattended. Always switch it off when it's not in use or when you're leaving the room. 2. Avoid using pins or sharp objects that might puncture the blanket and damage the wiring. 3. Don't use the electric blanket with a heating pad or other heating devices, as this could lead to overheating and potentially cause burns. 4. Don't fold the blanket while it's turned on, as this could cause overheating. 5. Make sure to replace your electric blanket every 10 years, or earlier if it shows any signs of damage. So there you have it. With regular checks, proper cleaning, and safe usage, you can enjoy the warmth and comfort of your electric blanket while reducing potential health risks. Always remember, your safety comes first. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Stay safe and warm.